Thinking about buying a Tesla to get that tax credit? You better hurry. Under the One Big Beautiful Bill signed by President Trump on July 4th, most clean energy tax credits are being eliminated. I'm Leonardo Rezende, CPA and founder of Leader CPA, and here's what you need to know. If you want to claim the $7,500 federal tax credit for buying a new electric vehicle like a Tesla or a Rivian, you must purchase it before September 30th, 2025. Planning on installing solar panels at your home or business? The tax credit for that will be gone after December 31st, 2025. Other credits that are going away include those for used EVs, charging stations, energy efficient appliances and upgrades, clean commercial vehicles, new energy efficient homes, even hydrogen and sustainable aviation fuel credits. In short, this bill ends over a dozen green energy incentives. Want to know how to lock in your savings before they're gone? Contact us now to schedule a consultation and follow us for more real-life tax advice.